if I told you it's not your salary that's keeping you broke? You could be making $40,000, $70,000, even $100,000 a year, and still be financially stuck. The real problem? You were never taught how money actually works, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why and how to fix it. Here's the truth most people focus on earning money, but wealthy people focus on building systems. There's a huge difference. The average person increases income, then increases lifestyle, better salary, better car, better apartment, more subscriptions, more spending. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently keeps you broke meanwhile. Financially smart people do this instead. Step 1, increase income. Step 2, increase investments. Step 3, keep lifestyle controlled. They buy assets first, then enjoy the rewards later. Let me give you a simple example. If you invest $500 a month at a 10% annual return,